This is our meat kebab. What I put inside is 7 spices. This one, little bit cinnamon powder, black pepper, and all spices. And then of course salt. So here together now, it's up to you how much amount you want, and then mix it. Alright, so this is ready. So let's make a mini burger for our meat kebab with eggplant. So let's remove this. Now this is the eggplant I grilled. And then this is the meat kebab. So let's try to put like mini burger. They are stick. Seem like this. And then like this, nice. See, we put like this burger. I think it's big. We have to remove some, I don't know. And we let it stand. Yeah, something like this. And again, until we fill it up. We put it here. And then we put eggplant. Another one. Like this. Put it here. And then the eggplant. So like this, right? Another one. Just trim it. Same amount, same big of eggplant. Like that, like this, like that. Like this, like that. Yeah. Until it's finished. See you later. Uy. Ay. Yummy yarn. Our kefta with eggplant. See? Sarap. Lumulutang sa mantika kasi yung eggplant. Ininom yung mantika. Tsaka ito yung partner niya. Rice with noodles. Yummy, yummy. Our menu for today.